Right, now I want parallel lines. I want to draw parallel lines. Parallel lines never touch. They're the same distance from each other the whole time. So if I take my right angle triangle and I put it on the line, the distance will be the same. So you say 10 millimeter, or it's more than 10 millimeter, but you're just going to use this 10 for indication. Make sure it's on a straight line there, and you just keep your distance from this line. You can choose any distance, right? And then you just join those. This must be also a line. There's my dots in a line, so they are parallel from each other. To use your protractor, right, put your vertex on the line, and then you're going to say 10, 20, 30 degrees, make a dot there, from the 0, and there from the 0, 10, 20, 30 degrees, make your dot there, that's 30, that's 30, and then you join those two lines, right, and there you also got parallel line, using your protractor or your right angle triangle.